Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of our favorite stock ticker symbol HCMC, Traded Stock Healthier Choice Management Corporation. You have a vast audience on this channel and people have been asking me to do a video for HCMC. I'm going to precisely talk about can HCMC 5 times from the price point where the 2 level, and can HCMC go to the 10 level. Now why 10 level? Because specifically HCMC gave us the right to the existing shareholders. ACN Situation Management Corporation announced the expiration of the rights offering June 2021 with the Viva 5 days via price of 0.001 per share, which means they give the 25% discount. And this right offering was available for their stockholders or existing shareholders, and people got it at that price point. We are hovering between 1 and 2 level for a long period of time now. Can it go to 5 times once again to 0.01 and even better beyond that or not? We have seen that HCMC has released their earning for the 22 quarters first earning and financial result, and was a stunning earning right before that. We'll also talk about how the stock has been doing, but here we want to talk about their earning reports. So first, before I go ahead, I just wanted to ask you if you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That will be super helpful. I have been doing a ton of video, not so much lately, but we have been focusing it done on some of the stock that we own, and I will do my due diligence, all do analysis, and I will share that information with you. It does not really cost you anything. You can hit the like button, but we can make sure that this video information, my research and analysis can reach to more and more people. Even better, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you can get notified and get the information when you need the most. You can check my channel out, and I don't really do a ton of video, rather I share the content which I believe that is helpful to me, and that's my way to giving back to the community. Without further delay, let's get into it. SCMC Management Corporation reports fourth quarter 2022 financial earning that happened before a couple of days and sells $5 million in the first quarter, which is 46% growth year over year. The growth margin of $2 million of the quarter, which is 1/3 and or 32% year over year growth as well. Let's take a look what it seems to be for the same period last year and March 2021, that is $3.47 million in revenue. Fast forward to March 2022, that is 5.05 million, which is 45.67% growth. Now you can also want to focus on what they did in terms of the net income. The net income was $696,000 negative in 2021 quarter 1, and right now they are doing negative 1.32 million, which went down almost 90%. So these numbers do bring us some of the concern, but I'll share why this could be a long-term value for this particular stock. You wanna also focus on how much cash they have on hand, $20.59 million, which is night changing cash, $5.91 million. But whereas there the cost of revenue is pretty high in my personal opinion. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nor I'm a certified professional. I'm just at someone like you, but someone who does a ton of research analysis and share back with the community. Cost of revenue is 3.08 million, and before and ahead in March their cost of revenue was 1.98 million. So right now the cost of revenue is pretty high, understandably. because the revenue went up as well. Now let's go back to the earning and dig deeper into what they are trying to say. They announced the first quarter 2022 result and recent highlight. As you see at the moment, net sale from operation for the first 3 months period ended March 31st 2022 announced for $5.05 million compared to 3.47 million, so that was a pretty good bump in terms of the revenue, which is approximately $1.6 million, and 46% increase in the same period in 2021. So I have not seen HCMC does this type of revenue. Historical is okay. So guys, here we are. As you can see, it should be noted that fine 52 million non-recurring expenses were incurred in this 3-month period ended March 31st, which means that $500,000 that they did that occurred, that expense which is non-recurring expenses. So it won't be there for the next cycle in the next financial report there. However, they have other type of expenses, but this particular expense was just one time, that what they are trying to say, which is of the prior year variance is primarily attributed to the strategic downsizing of the website segment. The Jeff Oman, their CEO, mentioned that our first quarter 21 second result financial earning and operation performance established by a very strong start to the year. So one of the biggest thing I want to mention in the strong community, that is HCMC has behind them and people and stakeholder who believe in the company. They used to have 4 lakh shareholder back in the days when the company released data, and when the company also mentioned about the right offering to the company had a pretty strong shareholders, and people believed in them. Now right now, the way the situation has been going on, I wanted to also show you this chart. We have been trending for last 6 months more or less between 2 and 1 and 3 level, and lately 1 and 2 level, as you can imagine. However, back in the days we had seen such a high price point for HCMC. Take a look, we went from 0.0015 level, which was about and beyond what the company offered in terms of right offering to the existing shareholder at the time in June 2021, 16 or 14 to be precise, 2021. And after that the stock went once again to 0.01 and started declining because of the hurdles that we know about the lawsuit, and nothing happened around to the lawsuit, and the company started losing the stock price after that this year, as you can see. So guys, imagine the stock market had many ups and many so many downs, but all in all we are in down, right? As you can see, Nasty is 11,500, which is pretty low than that what we had seen last year. As well as the market is up 1.5759 for Nasdaq, down share of 1.98%, but all in all we are not doing so great. So it obvious for any stock, especially OTC penny style, that are down because people are pretty scared to invest more and put more money into the stock market. However, do your own due diligence. If you own the stock, decide for yourself at the end of the day. That's your own money. I just want to share this information. Hope you can make informed financial decision. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.